Are you broke? Or are you ignoring what really matters? We've all felt like money mysteriously disappears, but what if the problem isn't a lack of money, but a lack of attention? You work hard, pay the bills, but there's never any left over. Financial anxiety is constant, and the feeling of stagnation is frustrating. Imagine your money as water in a leaky bucket. No matter how much you put in, it always leaks out. You buy that gourmet coffee every day, thinking it's just a treat. But, added up over the month, it could be an investment. Studies on financial behavior show that small, impulsive expenses activate the brain's reward system, giving us a false sense of satisfaction. You save on essentials, but spend a fortune on unmissable promotions. The contradiction lies in seeking financial security while sabotaging your own finances. Turn your leaky bucket into a safe. Start by tracking your daily spending for a week. Identify the holes and plug them. Use financial tracking apps as your allies. They work like flashlights in a dark room, revealing where your money really goes. By taking conscious control of your spending, you not only save money, but you gain freedom and peace of mind. If you're ready to stop ignoring and start taking action, share this video with someone who needs to hear it too. But here's what no one tells you. It's not just about cutting costs. It's about understanding why you spend. Meet Alex. He swears he's organized. He has a spreadsheet, which he updated in 2021. Every month, he says he's going to save money. Every Friday, he orders a $90 snack because it's been a tough week. On Sunday, he looks at the bill and says, "This month was unusual." Spoiler, it wasn't. According to consumer psychology, the brain loves immediate rewards. It's like having an internal financial manager who is a 5-year-old with a credit card. You say, "Let's save it to invest." Your brain responds, "Boo, what about that coffee with whipped cream and edible glitter?" You make spreadsheets, read tips, subscribe to channels about finances. But when the streaming bill comes, you don't even remember if you still watch that Norwegian series about depressed Vikings. And you pay anyway. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You have more courage than 90% of people who prefer to ignore reality. Now, do something simple. Send this video to a friend who always says, "I don't know where my money goes." The real change begins when you become a financial detective. That's right, magnifying glass in hand and courage in your chest. It's not sexy, but it's liberating. Use a tracking app or pen and paper. It doesn't matter. The mission: write down all your expenses for 7 days. No judgment. At the end, you'll see exactly where your leaky bucket is. You think it's the rent that's stopping you from saving money. But deep down, it's 3 takeout orders a week, a course you've never opened, and that meditation app subscription that makes you anxious just thinking about opening it. When you see clearly, money stops being an unpredictable monster and becomes what it should have always been: a tool. You stop feeling like a victim and become the protagonist of your money. You can become detectives together, or continue to fund glitter in your cappuccino.